your girl. What's up, y'all? My daughter cut my hair, but my daughter cut my hair.
That's not even your hair. That's somebody else's hair, but
My Stosa kind of song, go listen to it. Tune in, it's a fire bomb.
yeah, go tune into YDP Temple Music ASAP, like he said. Let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm going in, you see I set my ball line already. I'm going in with lever all the way open, going up about 1 inch. Then I take it halfway and blend the middle part, and then I close it all the way and take that last little line that I set with the trimmers, blend that out. And when I'm done, I like to go in with a 1 close and go up about another 1 inch. Here I'm using a half guard all the way open, which is a 1. It's the same thing, but I'm using the half guard all the way open, going up about 1 inch, and I'm repeating the same thing I did with no guard. Lever open halfway and then close and work my way down. But this I'm doing it with the half guard all the way open, which is a 1. Then I take my half guard and put the lever halfway, take out the middle, and then I close the lever all the way and take out that bottom line. Really, the half guard all the way closed, really get that, like, really make it come together. Take that last like line out. Then I'm going in with a number 1 guard all the way open, which is a 1.5 close if you don't have a 1, and I'm just debulking the area, this area, as you can see, so it could blend into his afro a little more. And that's all I do. There's really nothing else to it. This little boy is so funny. He was making me laugh the whole time I was cutting his hair. Now I'm going in with no guard, lever all the way open, and using the corners of my clippers to detail and take those dark little spots that I saw out.
Boy, if you don't get
Not like that. You just a kid. You want to be around him a lot.
My siblings always just doing something. Is that too much to see? That's just cheaper.
He is so funny. He talks so much. So I was asking the person that I'm cutting his hair, because he liked to follow him everywhere and he just liked to be around him. I was asking him, do he annoy him sometimes? And he wanted to ask him for himself. He looked at him and said, am I annoying? That was just too funny. Now I'm just repeating the same steps I did in the back. I set my ball line already from the top of the ear to the end of the vertical bar, and then I repeated, went up 1 inch with the lever all the way open, no guard, blended that down, and then I went in with a half all the way open and worked my way down halfway and then closed, and then took the 1 and debulked the 1 all the way open and debulked the little part that blends into the afro. And what I do to one side, I do to the other side. So you just repeating the same steps around the whole head. And yeah, and I'm just detailing with my trimmers right here, because I had my trimmers in my hand. It's the same as the clippers all the way open, no guard. And for those that don't know, I live in Israel. Yes, and we are at war with Iran, and I've been getting a lot of alerts and been going to the bomb shelter and things of that nature. So I don't have to work. I haven't been working. This is the 2nd week now. So I decided to make content during this time. I said I'm gonna start posting more. And I have so many videos that I could post, but I just never have time to sit down and edit. But because we are at war and I don't have work or nothing to do, I said this is the perfect time to cut more, because I wasn't cutting like every day. I was able to cut when I was free. But since I'm free because I don't have work, I said I'm gonna start recording my haircuts and putting more videos out. I'll do a more in-depth tutorial of like the guards and really explain and show how I cut the hair step by step, because this is just a random video basically with me cutting and just running my mouth. But I'm definitely gonna try to get more videos out, and y'all can always comment down below what y'all want to see. You know, I'm posting anything on here. This is a channel for my haircuts, for my vlogs, for day in the life, don't really matter. But y'all can definitely go subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, definitely gonna have more videos coming out. As you can see, the lighting is not that good. Like, the lighting is good, but it was the wrong. I had it in warm setting when it was supposed to be in cold setting. But his skin tone is like blending. You can't really see the blend, like see the fade for real, but it's blended. And I took it lower so it doesn't grow that fast. You know, his haircut will still look decent in a week. Now I'm working my way to the hairline, starting from one side and working my way to the other side. I don't really have like a specific way I do it, but usually I like to go with the vertical bars first, then work my way from the middle to one side, like to the left side, and then to the right side. Well, it doesn't matter, but yeah, I like to work my way from the middle and get the corners, and that way is like straight. I like to do my blending first and then I line the hair. So now you see me, I'm just going in and lining the back and cutting around the ears, like cleaning around the ears. Yeah, I already lined the front of his head, and then I just go and clean his neck up, the little hairs, and line it. That's what I like to save for last. I know I've seen some people do the line first and then blend it, but I like to blend it first and then I line and clean behind the ears. Now I'm going in with these enhancements and I'm putting it in the corners, because you can see like the front of his hair is thick and the corners is like lighter. So I just like it to be like one color. So I like to take my enhancements and darken the lighter areas. So you'll see what I'm talking about. And I'm just taking, this is alcohol pads that I use. I just take before I open it, take it and use that as my like guide, so I could make the line straight. And enhancements just make it a little better. Like, there's nothing wrong with it natural. I like to make sure that it looks straight without enhancements. Like, I don't need enhancements, but some people like it, and I'm one of those people. I like cat look with enhancements and without. It just add a little more spice to the cut, if you know what I'm trying to say. You can already see the haircut coming together and starting to pop, you know. Now I'll go in with my barber pencil. I don't know the name of it, but it's a barber pencil, and I like to go over the hairline with it, and it just bring it all together and make the hairline pop. Look at your boy looking sideways. He getting distracted. He ain't smelled this whole video.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
don't answer my question? You really get what? You don't answer my
Boy, if you don't get
Nah, I had to. That was just too funny. But anyways, let me speed this video up. I'm at the end. Y'all already see how the haircut looking. I'm just going in with my blade to sharpen it a little more. I like to do that after I put the enhancement, so it could really clean up, like if some get in the area that I didn't want it. I had them put the chair down, put their head back, so I could get the front line up, and it's easier that way, because usually I sit on my tippy toes and I'm like, why do I have to do that? I could just have them put the chair down. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just cleaning it up, and y'all gonna see how it look. I'm done. Now I'm just going in with my alcohol, that spice ball, as they say. Yeah, that fire. Dusting the hair off of him. Last thing, I like to go in with my sponge. You see, I'm laughing right here because when I get to the back, he had locks the last time I cut his hair. It was a few locks in the back, like he did freeform, and I saw he cut it, and I was just like, why you cut it? He said he wanted to start fresh. I don't think he wanted those locks, they just formed. But yeah, I got this sponge from Walmart. It's a silicone sponge. It works really well. I like this one. Anybody that have a sponge or use a sponge know that hair get in it, and with this it doesn't. So this pretty good investment, I would say. It get the job done. I'm not really, it take time, like you have to sponge the hair a little while, but I ain't have time for that, so I just sponged it a little bit. And this is the final cut. Let me know how y'all like it. Y'all could comment, like I said, down below what y'all want me to post next or what y'all want to see next, and hopefully y'all liked it.